Once again, we're going to practice solving systems by substitution. For this one, I'm going to use the equations y equals 3x plus 1, and the other equation is y equals 5x minus 3. Once again, I'm going to solve this one by substitution, so I'm going to go ahead and start with my 3 columns. In the first column, I want to pick the equation that looks easiest. To me, the top equation looks easiest, so I'm going to use it. I have y equals 3x plus 1. Notice I already have y on a side by itself where it's positive, so I know what y's sub is. Its sub is 3x plus 1. Since I used the first equation in the first column, I'm going to use the second equation in the second column. So my second equation was y equals 5x minus 3. In place of the y, I want to put what its sub is, so I'm going to substitute that in. So I have 3x plus 1 equals 5x minus 3. Go through my process of solving an equation. You'll notice the only variable I have left is the x, so I should be able to solve for x. I don't have any parentheses. I don't have any like terms on the left that need to be combined. I don't have any like terms on the right that need to be combined. I do have variables on both sides, so I need to add the opposite of one of them to both of them. So I'm going to pick the 3x. Its opposite would be negative 3x. So I add that to both of them, leaving me 1 equals 2x minus 3. Next, I need to get rid of the minus 3, so I'm going to add 3 from both sides. So I have 4 equals 2x. Now I need to get rid of multiply by 2, so I'm going to divide by 2. So I have x equals 2. Now I can go to my third column since I have a value in my second column. Remember, we can use any of the equations from before. I'm going to use my sub-equation. So y equals 3x plus 1. This time I'm going to substitute in the 2 in place of the x. So I have y equals 3 times 2 plus 1. So y equals 6 plus 1, which is y equals 7. I have an xy coordinate pair. My coordinate pair is 2, 7, which means since I got one solution, I have intersecting lines. They gave me one solution, which is what I expect for intersecting lines, and my one solution is 2, 7.